Looking for the best wind turbine generators? Want to power your home off-grid and save on electricity? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best wind turbine generators on AliExpress. Affordable, efficient, and built to last. Number 1. 5,000-watt vertical axis wind turbine generator. The 5,000-watt vertical axis wind turbine generator is a high-performance renewable energy solution designed for off-grid systems. With a low start wind speed and low noise operation, this windmill efficiently converts wind energy into electricity. It supports 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volt systems, making it versatile for various applications. The MPPT charge controller ensures maximum power output and efficiency. Built with durable materials, it can withstand harsh weather conditions, providing reliable power for homes, farms, or remote locations. Its vertical axis design allows it to capture wind from all directions, making it ideal for areas with inconsistent wind patterns. Whether for residential or commercial use, this eco-friendly wind turbine is a cost-effective way to generate sustainable energy. Number 2. SMARAAD 4,000 watts horizontal wind generator. The SMARAAD 4,000 watts horizontal wind generator is a powerful and efficient small household wind turbine designed for off-grid energy solutions. Featuring low noise operation and optimized for medium wind speeds, this windmill ensures consistent power generation. It supports 12 volt, 24 volts, and 48 volt systems, making it versatile for various applications. The MPPT controller maximizes energy output, improving efficiency and battery charging. With its aerodynamic blades and durable construction, it withstands harsh weather conditions while maintaining stable performance. Ideal for homes, farms, and remote locations, the SMARAAD wind generator offers a reliable, eco-friendly energy source, reducing dependence on traditional power grids. Whether for backup power or sustainable energy solutions, this turbine is a smart investment. Number 3. 10 kilowatt vertical axis wind turbine generator. The 10 kilowatt vertical axis wind turbine generator is a high-efficiency renewable energy solution for homes, camping, and off-grid applications. Designed for 12 volt and 24 volt systems, it provides free energy by harnessing wind power effectively. Its vertical axis design allows operation in low and variable wind conditions, making it ideal for diverse environments. The MPPT charger optimizes energy conversion, ensuring maximum power output. With low noise levels and durable construction, this windmill delivers reliable performance in all weather conditions. Whether for home appliances, outdoor adventures, or backup power, this eco-friendly wind turbine helps reduce energy costs while promoting sustainability. Perfect for those looking for a cost-effective and efficient wind power solution. Number 4. 2,000 watts vertical axis wind turbine. The 2,000-watt vertical axis wind turbine is a high-performance alternative energy generator designed for household use. Operating at 48 volt DC with a 220 volt AC output, this complete set includes a battery system, 10 kWh for reliable energy storage. Its vertical axis design allows it to capture wind from all directions, making it efficient even in low wind conditions. With low noise operation and durable construction, it ensures long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. Ideal for off-grid homes, cabins, and sustainable energy solutions, this wind turbine helps reduce electricity costs while promoting eco-friendly power generation. The efficient battery system ensures continuous power supply, making it a perfect choice for a self-sufficient energy setup. Number 5. 5 kW vertical axis Maglev wind turbine. The 5 kW vertical axis Maglev wind turbine is a high-efficiency renewable energy system designed for household power generation. With a 15 kWh day output, it combines wind and solar energy for a reliable off-grid solution. The magnetic levitation Maglev technology ensures low friction, high efficiency, and ultra-quiet operation. This system includes solar panels and a battery setup, providing continuous power supply even in low wind conditions. The vertical axis design captures wind from all directions, making it ideal for urban and rural areas. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it guarantees long-term performance. Enjoy free delivery and start generating clean, sustainable energy to reduce electricity bills and support a greener future. Here are our top 5 best wind turbine generators, chosen for quality, durability, and top reviews. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.